Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to set up local pickup with Shopify only for selected areas. So Shopify lets you offer local pickup as a delivery method, but it's tied to your physical store collection or location rather than the specific postal code or delivery areas. To offer a local pickup only for selected areas, you will need to set up through your locations and manage how customers choose it at a checkpoint or checkout. So first, go to settings, then from there click on shipping and delivery in your Shopify admin, and under the local pickup section, enable pickup for your desired store locations. So this activates the pickup option for customers within the checkout process. However, Shopify doesn't natively restrict local pickup by zip code or neighborhood. The option appeared based on product availability at the locations and Shopify's address validation, but you can control who sees it by setting up a clear instruction and messaging. For example, add text on your product page or cart page saying local pickup available only for customers in your selected areas to guide customers. So if you want a restrictor control like limiting pickup to specific zip code, you will need a third-party app like Zipest Store Pickup Delivery. This app lets you define precise delivery zone, pickup availability by postal code, and even set a different pickup schedules. It provides no code, a way to fine-tune local pickup to selected areas only. So Shopify basic local pickup is location-based, but you can restrict it to selected areas through carefully set up and messaging. For postal code level control, using app like Zipest gives you the exact flexibility you need.